Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Notcoin from OKX to Tonkeeper. So the first step you need to do is to open OKX, and first step you need to do is to have some Ton. So search here Ton, okay, and click here. So currently I have no Ton coin, so you simply need to click on invest, verify to add, and then you need to buy some Ton coin. And once you have, you need to go back, you need to click on home and click on exchange and click on assets, okay. And let's suppose you have an asset here and you need to copy the address of your asset. Then you need to go back and you need to open the Tonkeeper, okay, here. And then you need to click here receive, and this is the key, receive Toncoin. So copy that, go back and add address on the OKX on the page where you want to get, and after that you have the Toncoin from OKX to Tonkeeper. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.